Wow! Happy 50th birthday, paring Nep! Ang bilis ng panahon. Alam niyo po, sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa barkada namin, we call Nep during our college days, Nepscape. Dahil long before PCs, Wi-Fi, internet became a thing, there's this thing called Netscape. Tapos ang tawag namin kay Nep ay Nepscape kasi napakagaling niya sa mga ganong klaseng bagay. Any kind of technology, he would always be ahead of the rest of us. So I'd have to say yung pagkakakilala ko kay Nep ay yung pangalan niya, N-E-P. N stands for nice. He's such a very nice person. Wherever he is, he always carries that beautiful, disarming smile. So, ngiti pa lang, kuha ka na niya. So, Nep, alam mo naman, ngumingiti ka pa lang, kuha mo na kami lahat, di ba? And the E stands for excellence. I've always known Nep to be an excellent person. Whatever he does, he always becomes excellent at it. Maging technology, kahit nga pagkanta, music, di ba Nep? Gumagaling ka talaga. It's all these things, di ba? Probably even the gadgets that you have, the systems that you put in place at work, the vehicles that you drive, lahat talagang excelente. Ayan. So, I always look up to him even during the college days kasi believe ako sa kanyang kahusayan. And letter P is always positive yung taong yan. Kahit na mahirap na yung mga nangyayari, kahit na parang imposible, sasabihin niya, kaya yan, ganito lang yan. So, it's not because he is arrogant, hindi nga siya mayabang eh. Sa pagkakakilala ko sa kanya, he's just a positive person. He knows that there's always a way and finding a way is what he needs to do. Kung yung iba gumigive up niya, siya hindi. Hahanapin niya talaga yung paraan para lang makuha yung kailangan niyang magawa. So, Nep, happy 50th birthday to you, pare. And I guess as the father of your family, the leader of your family, I'd like to leave you with a proverb, no, coming from God's word. I want you to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not in your own understanding. In all the things that you do, acknowledge Him and He will make your paths straight. God bless, bro, and I hope to see you soon. Mag-gathering naman tayo. God bless and happy birthday.